with my classmate Ángela Ramos and myself, Miguel, are presenting machine learning infography. And now let's introduce with the definition. Machine learning is the science that allows machines to learn patterns directly from data, instead of following fixed instruction programming by humans. It uses accumulated experience to automatically improve its performance, acting as a powerful engine that transforms massive amounts of information into useful knowledge. Its main purpose is to discover hidden structures in the data to make accurate predictions about the future.
Spending more time cleaning than coding. Experts spend about 80% of their time cleaning and preparing data, and only 20% actually writing code. This well-known role was clearly shown in literature reviews by Chan et 2021 and Boadilla Sancho 2020. Your smartphone knows more about you than that you do. Thanks to edge computing, your phone can learn all about you without sending your personal data to the world. Only the learned partners or model updates are sent to the central server, never your private information. With the help of federal learning, it's now possible to have powerful running directly on your device locally, depending on clone all the time. This is amazing fact highlighted by Love at the Out 2020.
I saw the multiverse before we did. Monday et al. 2025 dropped a huge discovery, and I can now see reality in countless dimensions, way more than the 4 weeks experience, length, width, height, and time. It does this using quantum computers and quantum bits called qubits. This allows AI to look at any piece of information from many different angles at the same time, seeing all possible versions of the states of the data simultaneously, like seeing the multiverse of a single piece of data. Since everything can be turned into data, we can now explore multiple realities that exist together with ours, but in computational and mathematical terms. Quantum computing and quantum machine learning can check all possible solutions to our problem at once and figure out which one is the right or the best one.
This completely changed how we solve the problem. Instead of writing a program step by step to find one answer, we now start with a possible answer and simply pick the correct or ideal one. It's almost impossible to make a mistake.
Now, more than 90% of the world data was created in less than 2 years. Every day we create about 2,005 quintillion bytes of data. So 19% of all the data in the world today was created in the last 2 years. That was said back in the 2017. Today, the same amount from the 2017 is only 0.62% of what we now produce daily, around 402 quintillion bytes. That is 161 times more data than just a few years ago, when we already had more than 50 billion of IoT devices. All these figures were collected and reported by Jojans Aguilar in 2017.
Are used to imagine impossible things. Now it makes perfect predictions. Scientists, including Albert et al. 2019, quickly noticed that given a huge amount of trained data wasn't enough. It's starting to truly understand the laws of physics or how the real world works. So it's both create a convincing but unrealistic or solution.
Now, with physics-informed neural networks, or BINs, we train the AI not only with data but also with the actual rules of physics. This forces the AI to generate realistic results that follow the laws of nature.
Why time? Tick. We do this before. because that math Beijing physics equation and the math Beijing machine learning were very different and hard to convince. Early attempts might all I take days instead of seconds to run. It 2 years of research using recently when scientists finally found an efficient way to join both approaches together. In conclusion to the infographic, machine learning is the engine to the new industrial revolution. It doesn't just process data. Today, it protects people privacy, harness that power of quantum computing, and respect the laws of physics in the way it turns digital chaos into the strategy intelligence of tomorrow.